Consistency is way more important than variety, all right? So if you are eating the same stuff every day, but it's healthy, hyper-nourishing foods, fantastic. Can you talk about not eating the same foods over and over every day? That's how I got into the situation somewhat. What I found is that for healing, eating the same foods every day is great. As long as they are hyper-nourishing, healing foods, that's wonderful. I've been drinking the same smoothie recipe now for a couple of years. I just like it. It's power greens, flax or chia seeds, super ripe bananas, and then mangoes. Today, that's it. And sometimes I'll do sweet cherries, ripe cherries instead. Sometimes I'll add some frozen pineapple, but it's pretty basic and I love it. And I've been doing it every day and it's working. So what I found when it comes to good health, consistency is way more important than variety, all right? So if you are eating the same stuff every day, but it's healthy, hyper-nourishing foods, fantastic. I would love it if folks could overcome their food addictions and start looking at food like toothpaste, right? Like there are people who tell me, oh, I can't do this because I just need more variety, more flavor. And I ask them, when's the last time you changed your toothpaste flavor? And they always look at me weird because I don't know about you, but I've used the same toothpaste for like decades. And I've never gone, man, I just cannot brush my teeth another day unless I get a new flavor, right? So food, we've turned it into a drug. We've turned it into something that gets us high and stimulates all those good, juicy neurotransmitters that makes us feel all good. We have foods that make us feel sexy, food that makes us feel euphoric, foods that comfort us on a bad day. We're using it like drugs. And the best thing in the world is to turn that around and say, food's like toothpaste. It's something my body, it's something, you don't eat toothpaste, but you get what I mean. I don't need the flavors. I need what it does for me. Now, of course, I want it to taste good. I happen to like the taste of this. Find the flavors that you like, but try not to make that be something that's pivotal to you getting this done. Consistency matters more than variety. Get that dressing you like. If you get a good flavor smoothie you like and you get a dressing you like, you are golden. You can do this. I mean, really. And if you don't like dressings, then just do smoothies. Like, just get your hyper nourishment in a way that works and you can be consistent with. That matters the most. Okay, guys?